Friends, in our rapidly evolving economy, skilling has taken an unprecedented significance. Acquiring and honing skills relevant to specific tasks or industries is essential for both individuals and organizations to stay competitive and adaptable. Governments and educational institutions worldwide are recognizing the importance of skilling initiatives to bridge the gap between the current workforce capabilities and the demands of the future job markets. That our government too is laying importance on skilling and internships as a part of experiential learning in the recent budgets is most welcome. However, without adequate employment generation, the effort is liable to be criticized. So friends, let's explore the world of skills this week. The nature of work itself has undergone dramatic changes over the past few decades. Technological advancements, globalization, and shifting economic landscapes, they have all redefined the job roles, and the skills that are required to perform them effectively. Traditional jobs are being replaced or augmented by roles that demand a higher level of technical proficiency and cognitive skills. Automation and AI, they are taking over routine tasks. The entry-level jobs are vanishing. They are creating a demand for skills that machines cannot replicate, such as critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Technology certainly acts as a catalyst for change and as a tool for learning. On one hand, technological achievements are driving the need for new skills. On the other hand, technology itself provides innovative ways to acquire these skills. Online learning platforms, virtual reality training, and AI-driven personalized learning paths, they're all revolutionizing the way we and our organizations approach skill development. Platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and LinkedIn Learning, they offer a wide range of courses that individuals can access from anywhere in the world. Swayam is an Indian platform, our very own, that has been used by universities with great success. These platforms provide flexible learning options, allowing professionals to upskill or reskill at their own pace. They also offer industry-recognized certifications that can enhance career prospects, employment opportunities, and so on. VR technology, virtual reality, is being used to create immersive learning experiences that simulate real-world scenarios. This is particularly useful in fields like healthcare, manufacturing, and aviation, where hands-on experience is of utmost importance, is very vital, crucial. VR training allows individuals to participate, and practice skills in a safe and controlled environment, reducing the risk of mistakes in real-world applications. While virtual reality is becoming almost irreplaceable, AI technologies are enabling personalized learning experiences tailored to individual needs and learning styles. AI algorithms analyze our progress, the learner's progress, and they also adapt the training material accordingly, ensuring a more efficient and effective learning process. A skilled workforce drives innovation, productivity, and competitiveness. Countries with higher levels of skill development, like Germany, have stronger economies and they have a higher standard of living. The rise of Silicon Valley as a global tech hub is a testament, is a proof to the power of highly skilled workforce. It's another matter that a lot of them are actually from our very own country. In an era where job rules are continuously evolving, lifelong learning and upskilling are no longer optional. They are now necessary. Professionals who invest in their skill development, they are better positioned to adapt to the changes that are happening in the industry, take on new challenges, and advance in their careers. Whereas for individuals, skilling is the key to career growth and job security. Organization also benefits significantly from investing in skill development of their employees. There are of course challenges. Access to quality education, training resources, it's not equitably distributed. Socio-economic factors, geographic locations, and other barriers, they all limit opportunities for many individuals. And to address this, the government and our industry must invest in making skilling programs more accessible and inclusive. This can include subsidizing the online courses, providing scholarships, and creating community-based training centers. Skilling a large nation for meaningful employment is a complex challenge, especially in rapidly developing countries like ours. One of the primary issues is the mismatch between skills imparted and the education system and those demanded by the industries. Many graduates lack job-ready skills, leading to high unemployment despite very good educational qualifications. Another major hurdle is the scale and diversity of our population. Reaching remote areas and addressing varied linguistic, cultural, economic background requires customized training solutions. Infrastructure limitations such as inadequate training centers, lack of digital access, poorly trained instructors, they all weaken the impact of skill development programs. In rural and semi-urban areas, limited awareness about available skilling programs, employment opportunities prevents participation, particularly among women and those marginalized groups. Finally, societal attitudes also make a difference towards vocational training. Often they devalue the skilled trades in favor of traditional academic paths, discouraging youth from exploring newer options. Addressing these challenges requires a coordinated approach. Updating curriculum within the universities, investing in infrastructure, promoting digital literacy, and encouraging public-private partnerships. Only with such sustained effort and inclusive planning can large nations like ours equip the workforce with the right skills for meaningful future-ready employment. Friends, the future of skilling will likely be characterized by a more integrated and dynamic approach to learning. As technology continues to, it will always evolve. So too will the methods or tools used for skill development. The focus will increasingly be on creating lifelong learners. That's the truth of life today. We need to adapt to changing job roles and industry demands. Therefore, we must be learning lifelong. Cognitive flexibility is the key to survive. As the world continues to change, the importance of acquiring and upgrading skills will only grow. And therein lies our redemption. Skill, upskill, reskill. Learn, unlearn, and relearn. With that, friends, let me close today's skills story with a promise to be back the next Saturday. And until then, thank you and namaskar.